use, consume. 4. In favor of, but, however, many, numerous, soon, in the near future. 7 days, 1 week, 14 days, fortnight, 30 days, 1 month, 12 months, 1 year, 1 year, anniversary, 10 years, a decade, 25 years, silver jubilee, 50 years, golden jubilee, 60 years, diamond jubilee, 70 years, platinum jubilee, 100 years, a century, sunglasses, comb, shaver, razor, nail clipper, tweezers, cotton buds, hair clip, hair grip, hair dryer. Refuse, turn down.
You turned down Collins?
Okay, please turn it down.
Make a mistake. Mess up.
I'm messed up, Red. I'm real messed up.
Dude, don't mess this up.
Mess what up?
Invite on a date. Ask out.
You're asking me out? He asked you out? He asked me.
Make sense. Add up.
Didn't add up.
It adds up.
First.
You on a bus. You on a plane. You on a train. You on a ship. You on a bike. You in a car. You in a taxi. You in a truck. You in a limo. You in a helicopter.